And welcome to Cooking with Dave. I'm your host, Dave. Today we're going to make some spaghetti squash. Now, I've never done this on the smoker before. I have cooked them in the oven, but I wanted to try something different. I'm assuming and thinking that the smoke from the smoker will penetrate both into the flesh and also with the mozzarella cheese and the tomato sauce that I'm going to put on the end of it. So we're going to go ahead and get these on the smoker. I got my smoker set for 350 degrees. I'm using the competition hardwood blend today. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just cut these right in half, like such. Just like that. And we'll have to get a spoon to core these out. When we come back, we're going to put the salt and the olive oil on them and get them on the smoker. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got all the seeds out of it. Now you can take the seeds and separate them and put them on a tray, and you can cook them in the oven, and they're great as a little snack. I've never had the seeds. I've never done it that way. But in this case here, I'm just going to use it as what I'm going to use it for. So, I got some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, put it in there. And I'm just going to brush the outside with it. Brush the inside. Alright. I'm going to take a little bit of salt here. This is fine grind sea salt. And take a little bit of that. Sprinkle it on there. You want to be generous, but not too generous. You're going to have mozzarella cheese on there. You're going to have some spaghetti sauce on there, so you're going to have some salt in that. Alright, just like that. Now, when you cook these, you want to cook them down. Alright. Go ahead and we'll put these right in the smoker. Now what I'll do is I'll let these go for about a half hour. I'm going to check them. I'm looking probably for a total cook time of about an hour, hour and a half in the smoker. And then we're going to take them out. We're going to put some mozzarella cheese and some spaghetti sauce. We'll see when we get there. Alright, welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and check these now. They should be done. So, yep, nice and soft to the touch. Go ahead and pull these out. Looking pretty good. See what they look like here. Oh yeah. Got some nice color on the side there. Oh, they're going to be good. Alright. Well, I cheated. I didn't go make my own tomato sauce. I went out to the store and bought my own. But made sure I had a spoon to fit the right hole. About 2 tablespoons each. Mozzarella cheese. You just want to fill that gap in nice and good. Nice and cheesy. They like it when you fill the gap in. Alright, well, that's looking like that. I'm glad I didn't have to use 2 bags there. So now, we're going to go ahead and put these back in the smoker again. And we're going to let the cheese melt, get a little bit of brown on top. So, And do me a favor, make sure you're still wearing your gloves because this pan will get hot. Dude, like, subscribe, leave a comment, share us with your friends. All right. Now that there are some good eats. Bubbling, I love it. All right, that's going to be really good. Very, very good. All right. Well, it's the new year, so I want to wish everyone a happy new year. God bless. Be safe out there. And let's go, Brandon. Have a good one.